This is 60 Second Civics, the daily podcast of the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. The Bill of Rights was adopted in 1791. It is the first 10 amendments to the Constitution. In our last episode, we reviewed the 6th and 7th Amendments. Today, we'll examine the 8th, 9th, and 10th Amendments. The 8th Amendment forbids any federal court from setting bail at a level that is too high. Bail is money that is deposited with a court that guarantees a defendant's appearance in court at a specified place and time. This allows the defendant to avoid spending too much time in jail between his or her arrest and the trial. If the defendant doesn't show up for the trial, the government usually gets to keep the money and can issue an arrest warrant for the person who skipped out on bail. The 8th Amendment also protects people against excessive fines and cruel and unusual punishments. The 9th Amendment simply states that the people have rights other than those specified in the Constitution. Just because the Constitution lists certain rights that people have doesn't mean that the people don't have other rights. They do. The 10th Amendment says that the states and the people have all the powers that are not delegated by the Constitution to the federal government or specifically prohibited to the states. That is, the federal government has certain powers and the states are forbidden by the Constitution from doing certain things, but all other powers belong to the states and the people. That's all for today's podcast, 60 Second Civics, where civic engagement only takes a minute.